Customizing the background for the lock screen on Windows 11. Windows 11 offers various ways to personalize your experience, and one of the easiest is customizing the lock screen background. Here's a quick guide on how to change the lock screen background to suit your preferences. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open Settings. Press Win-I to open the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Personalization. In the Settings menu, click on Personalization from the left-hand side menu. 3. Go to Lock Screen Settings. Scroll down and select Lock Screen. 4. Choose a background. Under the Background drop-down, you'll have 3 options. Windows Spotlight automatically changes your lock screen to beautiful images curated by Microsoft. Picture. Choose a static image as your lock screen background. Slideshow. Select multiple pictures to rotate on your lock screen. 5. Select an image or folder. If you choose Picture, click on Browse to select an image from your computer. For Slideshow, click Add a folder to choose the location of the pictures you want to rotate on your lock screen. 6. Additional lock screen customization. You can toggle on Show Lock Screen Background Picture on the sign-in screen if you want the background to appear when signing in as well. You can also choose an app to show detailed status on the lock screen, e.g. calendar, mail, weather. 7. Preview your lock screen. A preview of your lock screen will appear at the top of the lock screen settings page, allowing you to see how the changes will look. Summary. Open Settings, Personalization, Lock Screen. Choose Windows Spotlight, Picture, or Slideshow for your background. Customize additional lock screen settings like detailed app status or sign-in screen background. Customizing the lock screen background in Windows 11 is a quick way to add a personal touch to your device, making it visually appealing and tailored to your style. Here's a